such a simple business that it's hard to do it in a wrong way. The only wrong way to do it is to lose money and not be profitable. So get out there and get started, get the cleaning, get some money for it. Let's see. Damon 3 says, "Do you suggest to niche heavy out the gate?" So I think you're thinking of the term niche wrong. I think you think niche means just pick a certain business type, and that's not always the case. Niche can be a certain size and a certain facility size, a certain employee amount, a certain revenue amount. Your niche can be any of those things. So you can. It's just something for you to nail down how you're talking to these people. It doesn't necessarily have to be a medical facility or dentist only. And you can do more than one at a time. You can do as many as you want, as many different building types as you want, as long as when you're talking to medical facilities, that piece of content and or that whatever it is that you're putting in front of them speaks to them directly. Or if it's a building of a certain size or a building with a certain amount of employees, make sure whatever marketing or whatever content you're putting in front of them speaks to the problems and or the solutions of buildings at that employee size, or things that they're going through in their particular pain points. So definitely loosen up on your definition of niche. But yeah, you definitely should niche heavy out the gate, right out the gate. You should niche. You should have something to aim at. You should be trying to get something specific.